the Super Bowl.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, so I know you've been wondering what am I going to be doing next. So I'm getting ready to do the air suspension in my Cadillac CTS all-wheel drive. I've been wanting to do it. I know I put some lowering springs on it, but I always wanted the air suspension. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now, or getting all the parts that I need for it. This is one of the things I'm ordering here. I ordered this about 2 weeks ago over here from AirTech. There's not many places out there where you can find the air suspension bags for the all-wheel drive CTS, but this place has it. Great price too as well. So I had that ordered up, did it about 2 weeks ago, so I probably have about another month to wait on this. So it's about a 4 to 6 week waiting time for these right here. So I'm looking forward to it. If any of you who have the all-wheel drive need it, if you go on AirTech, you'll be able to see it, and that's the product code number right there for it, all right? But they have about 6 week wait time. Over here, this just came in today, so we're going to do the unboxing for it today. This right here is the tray to mount all the stuff into your trunk. The guy cuts it, fabricates it, and ships it out to you. You can even buy it unwelded in pieces, and you can put it together when it come to you, so you get it for a little cheaper that way. But I bought mine already pre-welded up. They also powder coat it too as well. So for you guys been wondering what I've been doing, this is where I'm going now. And I'm going to do the air management, order that up soon, and also the tank and the pumps too as well. So I'm gonna have you guys follow along with me as I do all of that. And so on this video right here, I want to do the unboxing of this tray right here that just arrived today. So we're gonna do the unboxing today. When the bags come, we're gonna do unboxing of that, and of course the air management and the tanks and pumps too as well as they come later on. So let's jump over into the, but before we get started, why don't you guys just go ahead and go down there, right down there in the corner, and hit that subscribe button, okay? All right, so let's get to that unboxing. Yeah, so it just arrived in, and I'm really excited about seeing it. I haven't installed any of the air suspension into my car yet. They did a good job of packing it up, eh? Close this down. I'll set this on top. And here we go right here. Now from a quality standpoint, nice heavy gauge metal. It's not flexing at all, so it's a nice thick heavy gauge. The welds on here look really good. I have no complaints about their welds. The cutting is really good as well. I like how they rounded all the corners all throughout it as well. Other little accents they made through here also helps out as well. So overall, I give this a 2 thumbs up, a 10 out of 10. So your air management box will go here. Your pumps will go here. And you can mount your tank back here on here. You have to drill the holes to mount it on here, depending on what size tank you have. And the air management one, depending on which one you're going to use, they will put a plate on there that matches that too as well. You'll have your tanks here. They'll be on that angle. You can see that angle right here. You'll have your air management controller sitting there also on an angle, and the other one as well. So from a display perspective, I believe this is pretty awesome. You got a lot already covered as far as what you want to do. I'm probably going to mount this on a board with, covered in black, raised up a little bit, run lighting up underneath, so it's a nice glow underneath. Hey, so thanks for watching, everyone. If you like, hit that like button, and definitely hit that subscribe button. stay tuned for when I do get all the rest of the components in, and I'll do a walkthrough on those, and of course we'll do our installation by the springtime.
Man, this shit done it big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl.